clogged pulp filter you're on Ninja Juicer? Here's an easy way to clean it. If your Ninja cold press juicer isn't flowing right or making strange noises, the pulp filter might be clogged. Here's how to clean it properly. 1. Remove the filter carefully. Turn off the juicer and unplug it. Disassemble the top parts and lift out the pulp filter gently to avoid bending the mesh. 2. Rinse immediately after use. The easiest time to clean the filter is right after juicing, before pulp dries out. Run it under warm water while scrubbing lightly with your fingers. 3. Use a fine cleaning brush. For stubborn pulp stuck in the mesh, use a soft, narrow brush. We've linked a brush set below that's safe for fine mesh and gets deep into the tiny holes without damaging them. 4. Soak if needed. If pulp has dried or stuck hard, soak the filter in warm water with a drop of dish soap for 15 minutes. Then scrub gently with the brush. 5. Inspect before reassembling. Hold the filter up to the light. If you can see light through all the holes, it's clean and ready to use again. Keeping the pulp filter clean prevents clogs, protects the motor, and keeps your juice flowing smoothly. If you need a proper cleaning brush set for your juicer, we've linked one below. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and juice easy.